This is the Pulse R-71 rifle. This is a beginner's gun. It's nice. So I'm going to show you all the stuff about this gun. I'm going to start off with this. This is the actually the battery. This is the electric battery right here. It releases right there, and then you could take out the battery just like that. Next, you probably think this is a scope. Well, actually, it is not. This is the hopper. This is gravity-fed hopper. You just load right here. You load the babies through here, and they feed through here and shoot out. This gun right now is on safe. It has semi and full automatic modes. This is semi. Fully. This gun comes with a strap. Very nice. It comes with a silencer that you can take off, just like this. You just unscrew this. Like that. And now it doesn't have the silencer. I would suggest to keep the silencer on because it shoots longer, and this gun only has 200 FPS. You can also take off the stock. Now, I was having an airsoft battle with this gun earlier on, and the stock broke off. Yes, it's very easy for the stock to break off. See, just snap like a twig. But, so the stock could come off right there, and now you have this little, pistol, small thing, and, or you could have it with the stock and have it like that, or you could have it without the stock and put it like that with the silencer on. I, personally like the silencer on and no butt. I'm going to warn you, if you're happy that this gun has a scope, it is not a scope. When this is fully filled up, you cannot see through this at all. And there's a bar through the middle. So do not think, oh, I want to buy this gun because it has a scope. No. This is not. This is my other gun I bought. And it was, my friend had it, and it was just $10. And so I said, hey, why not? Now I have two of them on the battlefield. You know, it's better. And, see? And this, if you don't want to go to the stores and get the laser sights that you clip onto your airsoft gun, you don't really want to buy them. They're like $15–20. Well, look what I did. I duct taped this Nebo flashlight onto here, and you press it once, it's a light. Press it again, it's a laser. It's a 38 laser. 38 laser. It's really nice. And then I actually found this flashlight, and this flashlight you click in the back, and it's also Nebo, and green light, and then this flashy light. Cool? Yeah, all in all, this is a pretty good gun. It's basically a beginner's gun, you know, 200 FPS, full auto, so I got this at Walmart. If you are a beginner and are looking for a gun, this is the right gun for you. I have other good guns, but I still keep these, you know. I mean, they're pretty good. Like, you know, you get your regular, really good 350 FPS gun, and then you have this guy, you know, just hanging by your side. They're pretty good. They're not bad. They shoot far, but they shoot off. They kind of flip off, but with 20 grain BBs, they're good. It goes pretty straight. But otherwise, R-71 full auto assault, pretty good. Now I'm gonna head out to my backyard and test fire it. I am testing the R-71 pulse rifle on semi-automatic. That was semi. Let's see some full. Check it out. Oh yeah. There's some stuff. There's some damage. Oh yeah. There's some damage. Let's see this again.